See how to frost a two-tiered wedding cake, super smooth and with sharp edges. I crumb coated this particular cake during a live stream last Tuesday, and I also entered some questions at the end. Please join me each Tuesday at 10:15 as I do a live demonstration, and I hope to see you guys there. We delivered this simple beauty to a beautiful place in Westport, Connecticut. Come along for the ride. There were lots of twists and turns and bumpy roads ahead, but we had a great time delivering this wedding cake. The recipe that I used for this cake is a vanilla cake, and I added confetti to it. This is from my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei, Step by Step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arsenal. Gonna clean up all this. All right, there's some sweat, not good. All right, now, I made some pre-holes in this one, which I don't normally do. I'm gonna stick some straws in there. These holes. This cake is really straight. Here we go. You can learn how to make a wedding cake too. If you go to my website and click on my guides, you will see my wedding cake guide there. In order to make a buttercream cake nice and smooth, you need to put a lot of buttercream on there. Now I have an Italian meringue buttercream here. You can do it with any kind of buttercream. It doesn't have to be Italian meringue. This is a bench scraper. And you're going to start scraping your cake a little bit, just to kind of smooth it out a little bit. And then going up and down with the bench scraper, you can create an edge that goes above the cake. And that's what you want, because you want to be able to scrape that down and create a sharp edge. I'm filling in some spots here. Put your cake in the fridge. We just want to get it nice and cold. Weapon of choice. Right? Wedding cake. There we go. Pretty good, but I'm gonna make it a little smoother. See it now. Okay. This is where you can take advantage of a cold cake with cold buttercream. You can literally scrape it down to perfection. If you want to learn how to make cakes really smooth like this, go to my website, Wedding Cakes For You, check out my buttercream guide. And now for the fun part. So we're going to deliver another wedding cake.
Yay!
To Westport, Connecticut.
Yay!
It's just a plain cake. Nothing,
Man, is it plain.
Nothing fancy.
But it's perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect. So we're going to put that in a box and then we're going to deliver the cake.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go. Lorelai's gonna edit this and make me look 30 years younger.
Here we go.
Bring me the cake.
And it fits perfectly in the box. Thank you for the box, sweet.
You're welcome.
All right.
Now look at it. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
Perfect.
Oh, I like it. That's better.
Yeah, much
That's
better.
perfect.
And nothing on top?
Nope. Cheers.